A new study has shown that human connection to nature has declined 60% in 200 years. And nature connectedness is now believed to be the main cause. And this study closely mirrors another, which noted the disappearance of nature words from books such as river, moss, or blossom. In 2 centuries, people's connection with nature has dropped more than half. And this leaves me with a question. How can you protect something if you don't spend time connecting with it? As I look at the beauty of the natural world, I can't imagine not hearing the crashing of waves or smelling the fresh sea air. I can't imagine not observing a mother sea otter grooming herself in the ocean. Or watching the glow of the sun setting over the water, or placing my hands on an ancient redwood tree, or holding a hummingbird. I can't imagine not feeling the profound peace and stillness I find in nature. I do not believe that our bodies were made to be indoors, in offices, in front of screens and technology all day, every day. Living life with a deep connection to nature has brought me so much healing, both in my physical body and mental health. And this is something which many studies have proven. Spending time in nature improves our mood, happiness, well-being. It lowers anxiety and even improves our memory. Nature gives us so much. When I feel overwhelmed or anxious, I go for a walk, sit by a tree, feel the earth under my feet. Look at the mountain, river, or ocean. Smell the fresh air and feel the breeze on my face. And I feel a sense of calm begin to come over me. When I feel sad or lonely, nature brings me comfort. And I find myself asking, how can I give back to nature? How can I protect this one and only precious earth? Our bodies know that they are part of Earth. Earth's rhythms live within us. What if every day we allowed ourselves the time to connect with nature? What if we made that commitment to spend time in nature every day? If you live in an urban area, this could be visiting a park, sitting by a tree, feeling a flower, observing birds or squirrels. Connect with nature. Touch, listen, smell, breathe. Notice the beauty around you. And remember, you were once wild here.